guys, so just freaking let's what's the why it dropped? Oh, what happened? Oh, what the? I need to protect myself. I needed to make a noise. Oh my gosh! Get away! Get away! Mm. Help me! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't know to use this knife. My brother. Ah! The La 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 la. I'm going to the lab to get the blood. Oh, what the? What happened to them? Oh no. Guys, what happened to you? Orange. Hi. Help me. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Uh, oh my god. Revenge. La 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 la. I need to go to my freaking house to get my food. What the? Wait a second. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Wait a minute. I don't know. Please don't mind. I was not there. Okay, I'm going to my school. Oh, sorry class. Uh, where's freaking tomato? Oh yeah. Shut up. I'm the teacher. Yeah, shut up. I just said. Uh, oh my god, I need a freaking reject. Oh, I don't need blood. Why am coughing blood? Teacher, you need to go to the doctor. Yep. And I forgot. MJ is sitting here. I thought it's tomato. I don't care about tomato. Oh my god. I lost. Uh, uh, oh my gosh. What happened to teacher? Teacher, teacher. Oh my god, this is teacher. Teacher, you okay? Teacher, teacher. Ah, 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 ah. What the hell is happening? Oh my gosh, and he's so lucky that oh my gosh, no back my bestie. Ah! Oh my gosh, get out, I need to go to the freaking what is that? Oh, there's a vent. Oh my gosh. Ah, ah, oh, you need to be my pet. Wait, what? You made me? Oh no. Ah. Oh no, we're only two now. Yep. I'm gonna go distract them. You first, Friendly. Okay, Friendly. Okay. Mm, I forgot my freaking dad is a police and I have his revolver. So I just kill them, right? Ah, ah, wait. Uh, uh, mm. Eh, oh, it's now opened. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I will give you my bandage. Okay. Well, not my bandage. Healing potion. But I have a region. The healing potion. Okay, I will help you. No, you're not going to help me. I will just jump. Ah, I get your freaking Ah, 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 ah. Oh no. What happened? Our teacher, um, pretty leave the school. Oh no. Oh no. We need to save the freaking world. Oh, ah. Oh my gosh. Guys, what happened? Oh, oh, you're here. Yep, just late. What happened? Our teacher became a freaking, at the movies. Oh, at the movies, a zombie. Yeah, think roll call. Blood and became a zombie. Oh, I I watched the news. They said the lab there over there was destroyed by freaking zombies. A doctor, a nurse, and another one. Wait, what? Yeah. Part 2 is coming. Oh, I don't know. Part 2 is coming, I guess.